কটা বাজে আগে বলুন? Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. At first, I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shayande. I'm from Tomluk. I am. My age is say 18 years, and my ambition has always been to be an established lawyer. That's all about myself. Thank you. So today, I'm going to share a topic about how. Today, I'm going to share about the most memorable day of mine. Mine. Uh, Actually, it was 23rd October 2022. It was very memorable day for me because of various reasons. Actually, I remember I got up from bed at about 6:30, and on the particular day, there was an occasion in our house. Lots of relatives also came to our house. I got up at about 6:30, as I already mentioned. After that, I take my breakfast. Afterwards, my father asked me to bring some stuffs from market because of the occasion. So as soon as I came back to my house, it was probably 9:30 or 9:45. After that, I started studying for a while, and then I completed my study 12 o'clock. I started watching a cricket match between India and Pakistan. It was and then The match started at about 2 p.m. probably. Then I just sit before the TV and started watching the match. Initially, the match was so boring, so I just switched off the TV, and then I went to play cricket with my friends. Afterwards, the moment when the match finished, the time was probably 6:30 or whatever, 6:30. Then I asked one of my friends about the scorecard. He said that India needed probably 84 in 7 overs. I was like, how can we chase it down? But in Melbourne, it is not that easy to chase 48 in 7 overs. Then I just started cycling very very fast, and then I reached my house at about 7 p.m. As soon as I reached my house, my mother started scolding me because I didn't even inform before leaving the house that I'm going to play cricket with my friends. Then when I came back to my house, he started asking me lots of questions, but I just didn't give very damn about that. After that, I started watching the match. In last is in last 4 or 3 overs, India need probably 48, and then I was like, India is not going to win it. But I had the belief that if Kohli played till the end of the innings, anything can happen because he's chase master for a reason. Then after that, India needed 28 of 8 balls, and I was like, we needed 2 hits as soon as possible. Then Kohli just smashed the ball over long off, and it was a a strange six because smashing a bowler over long off, that to a short pitch ball, and that too at the MCG, is not that much easy. So Kohli just smashed that, and then I started having the belief that India is going to win it. After that, again Kohli again hit a six. Afterwards, in last over, we needed 16 runs, but when the over started, Hardik got out at the first ball. Then 16 needed of 5 balls. Afterwards, Kohli came to strike, and then he hit couple of sixes, and then made the team victorious. I literally, whenever I think of the match till today, I get sheer goosebumps. So it was the day, best day probably. It is probably the best day of my life till today. Thank you.